Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 E350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath there's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you sports suspension, sports exterior and interior look, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB Tex interior. Sunroof. Come around back, rear spoiler, E350 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats. This one does come with a lane keep assist, which is going to give you an active blind spot assist and lane assist. Also includes a premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, a dark wood trim, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, rear view backup camera, a clock, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls. This E-Class has 56,808 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.